Whew. All right. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, where I share so many of my family's favorite healthy recipes that hopefully will inspire you to have fun in your kitchen. So remember to subscribe or follow my page if you haven't already. Today we're making Cowboy Caviar, and I really like this recipe primarily because it pulls double duty. One, you can use it as an appetizer and serve it with chips and eat it like salsa, or you can just serve it as a side dish. I love this recipe because it's so easy, it's super healthy, there's tons of flavor and loads of lime. And if there's lime, I am all over it. Into a clean bowl, juice 3 limes. Then add a half teaspoon kosher salt, 1 tablespoon white wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey, and 1 teaspoon cumin. While mixing vigorously, slowly drizzle in a 1/3 cup olive oil. Then add 1 can of black-eyed peas, drained and rinsed, 1 cup sweet corn, 1 cup cherry tomatoes chopped, half red onion diced, 1 jalapeno minced. Make sure you take the veins out and the seeds out, 1 avocado diced, and 1 cup fresh cilantro chopped well, and toss it all together. After you give it a toss, go ahead and give it a little ground pepper. And you might even want to go ahead and taste it and adjust the seasoning and see if it needs a little extra salt. And the nice thing that's really great about this recipe is that you can make it a day ahead because it's even better the next day. Once you have it all together, this Cowboy Caviar will keep beautifully in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. The black-eyed peas are nice and soft, and then the onions got a little bit of a crunch to it, and there's tons of lime and cilantro. It's just, just ties it all together. It's so good. Thanks so much for hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table. If you want to print this recipe out, I'll put the link below. And until next week, go have fun in your kitchen, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.